How to change your RingCentral account password. Let's get started. First, launch your RingCentral app. Make sure you are not logged into your account. If you're logged in, log out of your account, then click on the option Sign In. Now here you'll need to type in the email address or the phone number linked to your account. After you type in, click on Next. Now here you'll need to type in your password. As you want to change your password, click on the option Forget Password. You'll be prompted to enter the email address that is linked with your account. Once you type in that, click on the option Reset. Then you'll need to go ahead and check your mail. You'll be receiving reset mail from the RingCentral. You'll need to open that mail and click on that link. With that, you'll be prompted to enter the new password. Once you type in that, click on Done. And with that, your new password will be updated. So this way you are able to change your RingCentral account password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.